Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing a bottle gourd curry prepared with tamarind, also known as Sorakaya or Anapakaya Pulusu. The main ingredient in today's recipe is bottle gourd, also known as Sorakaya or Anapakaya in Telugu and Lauki in Hindi. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. I'll share all the details in the description box below. So today I'm sharing the pressure cooker method, which is usually the way I prepare. It is quite quick and easy. It saves a lot of time and energy and you can never go wrong. Let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add in roughly chopped bottle gourd pieces, 1 chopped onion and 2 to 3 slit green chilies, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Mix well. Now place another small bowl in the center to add the rest of the ingredients. To the bowl, add tamarind, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, adjust to suit your taste, and chopped tomatoes. So now you may be wondering why I'm doing this. So now my tip for today is, whenever you're adding any sour ingredient to any vegetable or lentils without sauteing, it's better to place it in a separate bowl so that the vegetables or the lentils get cooked completely. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Open the lid once the pressure subsides. Mash the ingredients in the bowl. Add it to the bottle gourd pieces. Mash it till you get the desired consistency. You can also leave the bottle gourd pieces as such. I don't like to mash it a lot. I like to have some chunks of bottle gourd pieces in between. Mix well and adjust salt if required. Add in 1 teaspoon of jaggery or sugar at this stage. Add in some finely chopped coriander. Oh my god, I'm already drooling. This is one of my favorite vegetable curry. And now comes the climax. It's the seasoning, tadka or the talimpu, which takes this simple dish to the next level. These are the ingredients needed for the seasoning. And please don't miss out the garlic. It lends a very nice flavor to the pulusu, trust me. For the seasoning, heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. And you can be generous with oil, and if you can use ghee, it's even more better. It really gives a good flavor to the curry. Once the oil is hot enough, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 to 3 dry red chilies broken, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, few garlic pods, crushed or chopped. Let the garlic slightly turn brown and now add in some asafoetida. A pinch or 2 will do. Now add a few curry leaves. Once the curry leaves splutter, turn off the heat and transfer the seasoning to the curry and mix it well. Serve with rice, or it also goes well with rotis. Hope you're liking my recipes. Do try out and let me know your feedback. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel Masalakorb. It's me Padma signing off. Bye bye and take care.